Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic plane shapes, which comes under the concept shapes and patterns in class 1. In the first video, under the topic shapes and patterns, we saw about the types of lines. The link to that video is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. In that video, we learned that there are two types of lines, straight lines and curved lines. What are all the straight lines? A vertical line, a horizontal line, and a slanting line are called as straight lines. And these are some examples of curved lines. In this video, we are going to see how we are going to create shapes with the help of straight lines and then shapes with the help of curved lines. Let us begin that now. The first shape that we are going to see is a square. What is a square? This is a square and it is created with the help of four straight lines. Here we have two sleeping lines and two standing lines. So what are the properties of a square? A square has four sides. A square has four corners. As you can see, there are four corners and four sides in a square. The next important property is that all the four sides are equal in length in a square. You can visibly see that all the four sides in the square are equal in length. So, what are all the objects that you can see in your house or in your classroom that resembles the shape of a square? Let us see some examples. A clock. This is a clock which is in the shape of a square. What is this? This is a carom board. This is in the shape of a square. As you can see, they have four sides and four corners and all the four sides are of equal length. Let us think of some more examples. This is a chessboard which is also in the shape of a square. And this one is a delicious chocolate which is in the shape of a square. You can see all of them have four sides and four corners and all the four sides are of equal length. And this is the first shape that we have seen that is made using straight lines. The next shape that we are going to see is a rectangle. A rectangle looks like this. A rectangle is also made up of four straight lines. But the difference here is two straight lines, that is two horizontal lines and two vertical lines are there. But here the opposite sides are of equal length. In square we saw that all the four sides are of equal length, but in a rectangle the opposite sides are of equal length. So the properties of rectangle are a rectangle has four sides and four corners. This is just like in the case of a square. But the difference comes here. Opposite sides are equal in length in a rectangle. In this case, the two sleeping lines are in equal length and the two standing lines or the vertical lines are of equal length. Let us think of some of the objects that resemble a rectangle shape in your school or in your house. What is this? This is a doormat which is in the shape of a rectangle. Another item that you can see is a fish tank. It is in the shape of a rectangle. This is a calculator which is also in the shape of a rectangle. And this is a very common thing that you see in all houses and classrooms. This is a door which is also in the shape of a rectangle. As you can see, rectangles are also made up of using straight lines. They have two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. And they have four corners. But the difference in property from a square in case of a rectangle is a rectangle has opposite sides or of equal length. Hope it is clear so far. Next shape that we are going to see is a triangle. A triangle is made up of using three straight lines. But the three straight lines are one sleeping line and two slanting lines. So a triangle has three sides and a triangle has three corners, and it is made up of using one sleeping line and two slanting lines. Let us think of some objects that resemble a triangle. This is a sandwich and it resembles the shape of a triangle. The next object that we can think of is a cone ice cream. The wafer part of the ice cream resembles a triangle. As you can see, both these objects have three sides, two slanting lines and one sleeping line. Another item that we can think of is a birthday cap. And yet another item is a nachos or a chips that resembles the shape of a triangle. Can you think of some more items that resembles the shape of a triangle? List them down. Next, we are going to see shapes that are formed with curved lines. Stay with me till the end of this video to see what are all the shapes that are formed with the help of curved lines. The first shape that we are going to see is a circle. This is a circle, and a circle is made up of a closed curved line. As we can see, a circle does not have any corners, edges, or any straight lines in it. It is just made up of a closed curved line. Can you think of some objects that resemble a circle? Let us see them. This is a clock which is in the shape of a circle. What is this? This is a wheel of a bicycle and it resembles the shape of a circle. This is the pizza that we eat. It also resembles the shape of a circle. And this is a coin which is resembling the shape of a circle. Think of some more examples that resemble the shape of a circle. The next shape that we are going to see is an oval. An oval is similar to a circle and it is made up of a closed curved line. And it resembles the outline of an egg. The difference here is the oval, the center part is a little bulged and the corners are a little pointed. And it resembles the outline of an egg. Let us see some examples of objects that resembles an oval. An egg typically resembles an oval. A watermelon kept in an upright position resembles the shape of an oval. This is a rugby ball and it resembles the shape of an oval. And this is a plate. It also resembles the shape of an oval. Can you think of some more objects that resembles the shape of an oval? Let's quickly revise whatever we learned so far. We saw objects created using straight lines and objects created using curved lines. Let us quickly revise them. So here we have a rugby ball, a wheel, a clock, a fish tank, and a wafer of an ice cream cone. On the other side we have square, oval, triangle, circle, and rectangle. These are all the shapes that are created using straight lines and curved lines. Let us do a matching activity now. The first rugby ball resembles the shape of an, yes, oval. The wheel resembles the shape of a circle. The clock resembles the shape of a square. The fish tank resembles the shape of a rectangle. And the wafer of an ice cream cone resembles the shape of a triangle. Hope you enjoyed this session. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 1 under the topic shapes and patterns, of which I have covered the first topic lines in a separate video, and in this video we saw shapes. In the upcoming videos, we will be seeing patterns and then we will do a worksheet on shapes and patterns. Each of these topics will be dealt in separate videos and links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you in the next video with the next topic on shapes. See you again.